onto sports. And the national volleyball team, the Malkia Strikers, are in their second week of preparations for the World Championships in their training camp in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Coach Paul Bitok says the first week was used for acclimatization as the team is in a new environment and new weather conditions. This week, the team has settled in for serious business, working on their greatest weakness, that is reception. The team of coaches in Brazil are now using modern technology, including machines, to work on that area. The team is also working on tactical approach to the game and systems of play. The players will go through this for the next 2 weeks before they implement what they learned in friendly matches. They will first play the local league teams in Sao Paulo before playing national teams from the South American continent.
Go!